If you don't like working 9 to 5 but still want to make money, then start reselling SMM services and watch your profits soar. What's SMM reselling, you ask? Imagine buying social media services like followers, likes and views at rock-bottom prices and selling them for a profit. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. Enter Increaser Master, India's #1 cheapest SMM reseller panel. Perfect for students, freelancers, digital marketers, and anyone with an entrepreneurial spirit. Increaser Master makes social media growth accessible and profitable. Let's break it down. You sign up on Increaser Master's platform, buy bulk social media services at unbeatable prices, and then resell them to clients looking to boost their online presence. It's a win-win. The best part, you don't need any technical skills or hefty investment. Just a bit of savvy marketing and you're set to earn daily profit. Plus, with 24/7 support and a super easy setup, you can start reselling in no time. Need proof? Take Ria, a college student who turned her side hustle into a full-fledged business. She started with just a few bucks and now she's her own boss, raking in thousands every month. If she can do it, so can you. So if you're ready to turbocharge your income and join the ranks of successful SMM resellers, head to increasermaster.com and get started today. Remember, the only investment you need is your determination to succeed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking for their next big break. Happy reselling!